What's your experience so far being here at the branch workshop?
Worth every penny. Worth all the time. It's been invaluable to be hands-on. It's a whole different story. Trying to see something that somebody's doing and emulate it, but without kind of feedback and something in real time. So being here in person made all the difference. Being able to do that back and forth, try something, see how it works, see how it doesn't, gets feedback, try something different. Absolutely wonderful.
What's one thing that like stands out to you about the workshop? Is there anything, one specific thing that stands out that maybe you weren't expecting, or like when you think about it, like right now, you're like, is there anything that you've learned that stands out to you? Or is that?
So I come from a structural steel background, 70-18 rod, using this 70-10 series rod on a pipe where you're essentially doing some downhill, some overhead, right up to uphill in one motion, completely different. Most of my 70-18 experience didn't translate like I thought it would. So it was a good ego check, and it was a good skill builder to use a different series rod in a different position. Never even done downhill like that. So learning a new skill and a new series rod, that really was, I like that. I like that a lot.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Learn something new every day.
That's right.